Good morning, children. Today I'll explain one of the important topic of calculus, that is continuity. Okay? Continuity is nothing but some extension of limit. Okay? Firstly, come to the definition. A real function f is continuous at a point c. मतलब if one function f is continuous at the point c and c must be in domain if limit extends to c plus fx, that is called right limit of fx, limit extends to c minus fx, that means it is called left limit of fx, and at the point c the value of f, that means fc. These three values must be equal. If three values are equal, that means the function is continuous at the point c. If the three values is called right limit, that is called right limit, we already learned in class 11, that is called right limit. X tends to c plus means right limit, x tends to c minus means left limit, and at the point c means fc. That means if the three values are equal, that means we can say that the function is continuous at the point c. Now in the different problem, you have to firstly find the value of the right limit, then you have to find the value of the left limit, then you have to value at the point c. Okay, and this, right limit equal to left limit means limit exists, that means limit x tends to c fx equal to fc. In place of these two you can write this also, because we know that in class 11 if right limit and left limit are equal, that means limit exists and the value of the limit is limit x tends to c fx. C plus and c minus equal means x tends to c fx equal to c. That means you can use this also, but to do the problem we are using that formula. Now come to one sum. Find all the discontinuity of fx equal to mod x. Okay, and you all know that mod x means the value of the mod x will be x if x is greater than equal to 0, and value of mod x is minus x if x less than 0. That means in the point 0, in the left side of 0 and right side of 0, the value of fx splitted. That means we get two value of fx, one at the left side of 0 and one at the right side of 0. That means you have to check the continuity at the point 0. That means we check the continuity at the point 0. In this way you can find the point. In that point you have to check the continuity. Now find the right limit, that means limit fx x tends to 0 plus, x tends to 0 plus, x tends to 0 plus means x greater than 0. If x greater than 0, then then value of fx is x, that means in place of fx put x. Now put x equal to 0 here, 0. Now limit x tends to 0 minus fx, x tends to 0 minus fx means x tends to 0 minus, x tends to 0 minus means x less than 0, x less than 0. If x less than 0, then the value of fx is minus x, then in place of fx put minus x. That means now put x equal to 0 here, minus 0 means 0. And at the point 0, if x equal to 0, then value is x and x is 0, that means f0 equal to 0. See, at all the 3 point, all the 3 terms, limit x tends to 0 plus fx, limit x tends to 0 minus fx, and f0, all the 3 values are equal, therefore f is continuous at the point 0. In this way you can easily check a function is continuous at one point or not. Okay, thank you everyone.